Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel 100 Ideas. Water features are a delightful addition to any garden. Garden fountains in particular engage the sense with the soothing sound and dynamic visual of moving water. They can add a relaxing element to a garden landscape, and the trickling water has the added benefit of helping to block out background noise. Careful consideration should be given to the type of fountain that will be appropriate. Garden fountains come in a wide variety of styles, sizes, and complexities to enhance any landscape design. Fountains may be blended in with the surrounding garden in a natural way, or they may be showcased in a more formally landscaped area. Natural styles may include a waterfall-style fountain or a stream that runs from one pond to another, with water pumped back to the start through buried pipes. For a dramatic focal point, a fountain containing elements of art or sculpture may be used. Such a piece may be constructed of metal, decorative tile, or a host of other materials limited only to the artist's imagination. Statuary can range from the traditional, a maiden pouring water from a jug for example, to the whimsical, such as an oversized fish spitting water from its mouth. Ground-level fountains with pedestal bases and wall-mounted fountains are more traditional. They may be found in neat, colonial-style gardens or elaborate Victorian gardens filled with trellises, benches, and statues. In tight spaces, a wall-mounted fountain can provide plenty of impact without stealing precious square footage. Fountains may be made from stone, fiberglass, cupid, cement, brick, or tile. They are typically constructed with a water retention basin, a pump, piping, a nozzle, and a waterproof electrical supply. A filtration system will sometimes be used as well. Some fountains include elaborate piping and valve systems to allow droplets or streams of water to spray into the air to create an aerial display. They may require extensive landscaping, power line installation, and piping. Others are fairly simple installations that are self-contained. One more consideration in selecting a garden fountain is the wildlife for which it can provide a home and which it will be inevitably attract. Goldfish or koi can be added to water features that are large enough. Their beautiful orange, yellow, black and white color combinations are beautiful, flashing under the water. Above the water, birds may view a fountain as a bird bath, which depending on the owner could be an extra treat or nuisance. And don't forget pets. Dogs and cats often treat a ground-level fountain as a large water dish, bathtub or swimming pool. In this case, a wall-mounted fountain that the pet cannot reach might be the best choice. A garden fountain can help to enhance the decor and tranquility of outdoor areas. Whether the choice, a sparkling fountain is sure to add pleasure to the garden environment. We hope this video was useful to you. Like it, write your comments and subscribe to our channel. you.